Hi friends, I wanted to share something with you all. I've been wanting to talk about, these delivery of medicines by apps. There are so many apps nowadays. Farm Easy, TrueMed, NetMed, etc. And all these celebrities they have been promoting. So I was just wondering, there was a time when we used to go and pick up the medicines from the chemist shop, and chemist would normally give most expensive medicines, or whatever the medical representative have told them to push the medicines in the market. And I mean, the business was in their hand, in their control. And slowly in Indian market, the medicine prices skyrocketed. Even blood pressure medicine, diabetes medicine, so many imported options came, and medicines became so expensive. And generally the doctors would also prescribe these expensive medicines, and chemists would also make more profit in these medicines, so they would be very happy. So now these e-pharmacies, they are very welcome step, because we are getting the substitute salt, of the branded medicines at almost 40 to 30 to 40% cheaper prices, and the longer expiry date, and at your doorsteps. So what more you want? But even then, I would like to caution everybody that please be, little vigilant, and see that you are not being cheated by these e-pharmacies. They are giving you what you want and not what they want to push. Similarly, like earlier it used to happen in the chemist shop, because they do try to brainwash you that, oh, this is the same medicine, this will also help you in reducing your BP or controlling your blood sugar and all, but the salt is different. So no, say no for it. Just whatever your doctor has prescribed, tell them it doesn't matter, it is a branded medicine or generic, that you are not worried about, as long as the salt is same, and strength is same, and long expiry date and all, and there are no delays, and you get your medicine. Because these apps also have customer care centers and all, so if you have any problem, so you please raise your voice, because at the end of the day we want good services. So that's my take on it. So if you agree, say yes. Thank you, and spread the awareness.